So, if twins marry a set of twins, will their babies be twins? The answer is quite simple. Two sets of identical twins will not have identical offspring. The only way we get identical offspring is when a fertilized egg splits into two cells. Those identical cells grow into two identical twins. These types of twins are called monozygotic twins, which literally means they come from the same cell. Mono meaning one, and zygotic meaning a fertilized cell. Since monozygotic twins develop from the same cell, they have identical DNA. So if they're not identical, what would Tom and Jen's and Tim and Jan's children look like? If the twins are the same, each of Tom's and Jen's children would look different to the next, just like any brother or sister. And the same goes for Tim and Jan's children. Their children wouldn't inherit identical traits from their parents because of the process called genetic recombination. Considering identical twins have the same genes, is there a possibility that the genes could recombine in the same way in an egg or sperm so that the identical twins pairs have identical children? Not really. There is an infinite variety of genomes that you can come up with. The likelihood that the genes will recombine identically is the same as that of a parent having two children at different times, which are identical. A likelihood so small, we call it 0. So genetic recombination helps prevent siblings from looking the same, but that's not its only function. The process is so important for the survival of a species. By reassembling of recombining genes, it ensures that harmful genes are not automatically passed down to future generations. What's more, some of the children might also be identical twins. This is because identical twins, like Tom and Jen's and Tim and Jan, carry genes that mean they have a higher likelihood than non-twin couples of having children that are identical twins. It's not 100%, but the probability that they will have identical twins is greater.